Come along, kids, sing with me. Welcome to the happy farm. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning sounds is lots of fun.
What sound does the cow make?
Moo, moo. Moo, 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 says the cow today. Eating grass in the sunny hay.
What sound does the sheep make?
Ba, ba. Ba, 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 in the meadow green. Fluffy sheep are fun to see.
What sound does the pig make?
Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 in the muddy pen. Happy pig rolling once again.
What sound does the horse make?
Neigh, neigh.
Neigh, 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 running fast across the farm and grassy path.
What sound does the chicken make?
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Cluck, 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 around the yard, looking for corn and seeds to guard.
What sound does the rooster make?
Cock-a-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, so loud, waking up the farmyard crowd. What sound does the duck make?
Quack, quack,
Quack.
quack, 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 quack.
In the quack, in the pond, swimming happily all day long. What sound does the goat make?
Ma, ma. Ma, 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 climbing high on the farm where hills touch the sky.
What sound does the cat make?
Meow, meow.
Meow, 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 soft and sweet, curled up warm by the farmer's feet.
Moo, moo, ba, ba, oink, oink, too. Neigh, neigh, cluck, cluck,
Just for you. Quack, quack, my